Topic is random variable. Random variable can be defined as it is a real valued function and that is defined on sample space S of the experiment. What is meant by sample space? Sample space is a total outcomes of an experiment can be represented as sample space. This random variable that can be a real valued function exclusively defined on sample space. For explaining the concept of random variable, we can consider one example, that is, suppose if you are tossing two coins at a time, then what are the outcomes we can expect? Then the sample space S is equal to head head, tail tail, head tail and tail head. Then here we will be taking the case of getting tail only. How many tail will be getting in each outcome? Then when we are tossing two coins, then the sample space S is equal to head head, that is the first outcome where there is no possibility of happening tail, so it can be represented as 0. So the first value will be taken by the random variable x is 0, that is x equal to 0, comma. In the second case, head tail comma tail head, where we will be getting the chance of the possibility of getting only one tail. So here we can consider as 1. So x equal to 0 comma 1. And next case is tt, that is two tail, that can be represented as 2 in the case of random variable. So random variable that takes the value of x equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2.